Hi, and welcome to Traveling Marlins. Can you guess where we are? One guess. We're at Fort Wilderness at Disney World in Florida. And this is a fantastic park. We are in the premium Meadow campground section, and I'll put a link to it in the description below so you can check it out. You've got to put this on your bucket list. We had it on ours. We finally came, and it's so very worth it. But I have some tips for you. First of all, have a bag. I made this bag. I found the pattern on YouTube. It was very quick, very easy. I got the fabric at JoAnn's, and I will put that in the description as well. But I really like this one because it's small and very lightweight, but yet I can put a lot of stuff in it if I need to. What I have in here is a poncho, because I've heard that showers can pop up, and these are just those dollar ponchos. Lightweight, easy to carry, so I've got that in there. I've got a little bit of camera equipment and chapstick. So you'll definitely want some sort of lightweight bag. Another thing, if you ride a bike, bring your bike. There are lots of golf carts around here, so if you have a golf cart, definitely bring that. We don't have a golf cart, but we have bikes, and I'm so glad that I brought it. We are pretty much in the center of the park at the Premium Meadows area, and it's a mile to the front, which is called the Outpost, and that's where the buses are that take you to Animal Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios. We are about 2/10 of a mile to the settlement, which is the area by the water, and you get on a ferry there to go over to Magic Kingdom. So you're in a pretty good location. And if you have pets, the dog park is in walking distance as well. It's probably maybe 3/10 of a mile, something like that. And it's a fantastic dog park. There's 2 dog parks, one for larger dogs and one for smaller dogs. If you do bring your bicycle, I highly suggest some sort of light for your bike. And the reason for that is I love riding my bike, and I rode it in the evenings to be able to go to the parks to see the fireworks show. You definitely want to bring a headlight, and it's good to have a tail light as well. But you'll definitely want lights. There's tons of gift shops at the parks, of course. I went into a few of them and got a Christmas ornament. It's really pretty, and it was like $26 to give you an idea. The T-shirts I honestly didn't look at. We had gone into the outskirts of Orlando, which was only like a, 20-minute drive, maybe 30-minute drive. And like I say, we went to Target, and Target here has a whole area of Disney right when you walk in the door. For example, this shirt that I have on right now, and it has a hoodie on it, it was like $14. I thought, that's not bad at all. And then I got another regular t-shirt that has Mickey Mouse on it and lots of bright colors, and it was, I think it was $14 as well, and it glows in the dark. So I don't know about other places, but I thought those were very reasonable prices for t-shirts. Also down in the Orlando area, you're going to go down the strip, and there's lots of souvenir type shops, and some of them on the outside say t-shirts for $1.99. Now I don't know about the quality of those, but that's available to you as well. this quality of this shirt's very good, so I'm happy with this purchase. Another thing, when we got here to the park, they gave us a pin, and it's our first visit. So they gave us this pin, and the first place that we went to eat, a gentleman there who works there gave me a free slushie. So it doesn't bother me to wear pins and say, hey, I don't know what I'm doing, and it might even give you something free. So get your pin, and they should give it to you when you check into the park. The package that we got from Christine was for 9 nights with 6 days of going to the park. At first, when I got the package, I thought 6 days at the park, that might be a little much, and I'm not sure if we'll do that. So I contacted her and I said, you know, just do a package where it's 4 park days, and we'll hit each park each of the 4 days. When I got the package back from her, it was only, I think, like $50 less, and I thought this has got to be a mistake. But to my surprise, she said no, that after about the 3rd or 4th day, the price goes down dramatically. So make sure you check into that. And I thought, well, put the days back on there. Heck, even if we're there just an hour or 2, it would be worth it. Disney World is non-cash, meaning you'll use a credit card everywhere. You don't actually need the physical credit card with you if you use Apple Pay, because that worked everywhere. The only place that I had to have a credit card was the laundry. And it has a little machine, so you put your credit card in there and then select your machine and go from there. And also scan the QR code, because it will tell you, if you select the machine that you used, it will tell you by sending you a text when your cycle is up. So then you'll know when to walk back over there. It's pretty handy. We hope you want to subscribe to our channel. Use your camera and point it at the QR code, and then click these buttons. The campground is beautiful. It really is worth a visit coming here. Look at the sea of golf carts. Never seen so many golf carts. This is the little Unhitch, Hitch Up area. And I think there's only 2 of these turnouts. One on this side when you're leaving, and one on the other side. Yeah, I was kind of surprised about that. So don't miss those. And from the satellite view, I also saw some people do it on the grass. So I guess that's allowed if you miss a turnout or if it's full. This is the Meadow trading post, and it is in the middle of the park. There's so much to see at Disney World that we're going to separate these episodes so we can cover all 4 parks as well as the camp park. So stay with us, and I hope that you watch all of them. Bye. Christine, who I found, not gave us, but has that not been on the whole time?
Recording in progress.
You're good at this.
Well, it's just a button.
And for the grand finale, we'll show you what's in the Dawn Gartlet. I don't know if that's how you say it. Gartlets. And for the grand finale, we'll show you what is in the Dawn Gartlet. What's it called? And for the grand finale, we will walk you through the Dawn Gartlet. Come on. Okay, it's showtime.
It's recording.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, like we're being recorded.
It's out there, baby.
We're out there.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. How would you like me to start this?
That's fine. A few minutes so I can. Okay.
You don't see you scratching your head?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
I don't know how to start now.
Okay, wait.
Oh, golly.
When you buy what's called when you purchase a VIP package, you stay at the fairground right behind the fairgrounds. No. That's all we have for this week. So stay with us next week, and we're going to show you some things that we do on the road, as well as going to a car museum.